Is it clear how to draw the electron dot structures?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now can you draw the electron dot structure of first three members of alkane, alkene, alkynes?
First is this thing. Oh,
First three members of alkane, alkene, alkynes.
okay. Should it be like properly defined circles and all? Because mine looks.
Yeah, it's not needed. You can make it. Any circles only you have to show the structure. That's it.
Ma'am, of all the alkene, alkyne and alkane.
First three members.
Okay.
Ma'am, should we send it to you?
Here.
Okay, ma'am.
Done.
I'm sending it. Did you receive it?
Yeah. One alkane done.
అంతే ఇది C3H అంతే మన స్ట్రక్చర్ ని బట్టి ఉంటాయి. ఫైన్. ప్రోపీన్ ఆల్కీన్స్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటిది? ఆల్కీన్స్
అదే ఇదే ఫార్ములా C2H4
కాదు.
ఆల్కీన్
Ma'am, I've sent you.
Ma'am, I've sent it to you.
Yeah, wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, was my earlier one correct?
Mom, I sent it.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah. Alkane done. Varnika, where is alkene, alkyne?
Oh, ma'am, I didn't have to do in that. Okay, just a minute. I'll send it to you. That also after I do.
Raghav, prominent dots. Draw
Yes, ma'am.
prominent
This.
dots.
Okay, ma'am. The circle didn't come properly. That's why I get confused.
Alkynes, Anisha, alkynes not drawn properly.
Yes, ma'am. See. Ma'am, alkynes or
Alkynes.
okay.
Saptashi, alkynes, 3 electron sharing. You have shown only 2.
Okay, ma'am.
So alkynes wrong.
Ma'am, I sent you, ma'am.
Propine wrong. Shamavi.
Okay, ma'am.
Propine is wrong. Abhinay, all are right.
Ma'am, all the three alkanes, alkane,
First 3
alkene, and
members of alkane, alkene, and alkyne.
okay.
But there is no methine, ma'am. So we should be
First
draw.
member is ethene and ethine.
I'll draw.
First member is ethene for alkene.
Yes, ma'am. I'll draw butene and chain.
Shreya, all right. All are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Mithun, all correct.
Ma'am, my butene is correct.
All alkynes, all are wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Triple bonding, you are not shown.
Okay, ma'am.
Nishant, everything is right. Rishi, butane wrong. Second carbon atom, you have shown 2 electrons inside. That is wrong. Butane. Psygrupo, all are correct. Kirtana, all are correct.
Can you see mine?
Yours only I am seeing. Propane wrong. Propine also wrong. Those two are wrong. Propine and propene, both are wrong. All others are right.
Okay, ma'am. What is wrong in that, ma'am? Can you just tell me?
Propene and propine.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you just tell me what is wrong in that? Because I'm not able to figure out what is wrong.
First, draw the structure.
Ah, yeah, I understood, ma'am. I understood. Sorry.
Mom, even mine's sending now.
Done, everyone.
Mom, I sent you alkene and alkyne also.
Propine wrong. Butane also wrong. Butane, propine, butane, both are wrong.
Oh. Mom, what is wrong in that?
How many carbon electrons? How many electrons carbon atom has?
Electrons. Mom, 4.
How many it
Okay.
should be?
Okay,
And how
Mom, I
many
got
are
it.
shown?
Okay, Mom, I showed so many. Mom, I thought when they share, it gets... Okay, Mom, I just misunderstood the concept. Mom, what about ethine? Ethine.
How neatly it should be drawn? C. With pencil. And check your notebooks. How you are drawing it. Can you see? Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
How neatly with a structure and below that the diagram. Name, molecular formula, structural formula, and the electron dot structure. And these are all hand drawn. Please understand the importance of representation. Most of the students lose mark in this. If you are not representing properly, although you know everything, but you will not get full marks. Representation is this matters a lot. Okay, now we are starting the next part of the chapter, that is chemical equations. General chemical equations of hydrocarbons. So in that, 4 types of equations we have to see. First one is combustion. Second one is oxidation. Third one is addition. And fourth one is substitution. So these 4 general chemical equations of all hydrocarbons we have to see. And that the first one, we will start with combustion reaction. Combustion means, what do you mean by combustion? Yes, what do you mean by combustion reactions?
Burning of things. Combustion is
Burning in the presence of
The
oxygen.
presence of oxygen.
Yes, reacting with atmospheric oxygen to form heat and light energy. Reacting with atmospheric oxygen to produce heat and light energy is called as combustion reaction. So all hydrocarbons combines with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide, water and heat energy. This is the reason a large amount of heat energy they produce. So therefore these are called fuels. This is the reason why these compounds are called as fuels. Fuels are those substances which produce large amount of heat energy. So all the hydrocarbons, when they combine with oxygen, when burns in oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide, water and heat energy. But the formation of carbon dioxide is completely dependent on the amount of oxygen available. So hydrocarbons have excess oxygen is available. Hydrocarbons, they have excess air, oxygen, but excess air is present, then only it will form CO2, water and large amount of heat energy. And at that time, all will burn with flame. Most of them will produce flame. And when the large amount of heat is produced, and here this process is called as complete combustion. Complete combustion. And at that time, they will form the flame. That flame is blue flame. The flame formed is blue colored flame. You have seen in LPG. So whenever LPG burns, it always produces blue flame. That is because it is undergoing complete combustion process. Large amount of heat is produced in that case, and the carbon dioxide is produced, that it will not be that much harmful as the next incomplete combustion. If less amount of oxygen is present, limited supply of oxygen, limited supply, then instead of producing carbon dioxide, it will produce carbon monoxide, water and lesser than this amount of heat energy. Heat energy is produced but less. This is called incomplete combustion. And in this case, flame produced is yellow flame. And if still more lesser amount of oxygen is available, hydrocarbon with very less amount of oxygen. Oxygen is available but very limited. Very limited supply. So that time carbon monoxide is also will not be formed. It will form carbon black smoke plus water and plus heat energy. Very less amount of heat energy is produced. This is also incomplete combustion. And in this case, yellow sooty flame is produced. Sooty flame, that means yellow with black smoke is also present in that. That is called as yellow sooty flame, blackish yellow. That is whenever you would have seen when wood is burned. So completely under, it's not dried wood. So some amount of directly taken wood and it is burning. So you can see the black smoke is coming out of it whenever it burns. And it is sitting in front of it is much more difficult at that time. Then that is we call as yellow sooty flame. It is the color of the flame is yellow. Wood whenever burns, it always burns with yellow flame, and as well as much more amount of smoke is coming out of it. So that is yellow sooty flame. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And because of this reason only, it was told by pollution control committee, that is when a vehicles servicing has to be done time to time. Regular vehicle servicing has to be done. Reason is while servicing there are many air holes. What is actually vehicles are working on diesel or petrol or CNG is burning. Petrol burns in all petrol vehicles, petrol burns. Diesel vehicle, diesel burns. CNG vehicle, CNG burns. So everywhere the same process is taken place. That is, those all hydrocarbons are combining with oxygen and they produce carbon dioxide, water and heat energy. So by using that heat energy, the vehicle works. That is, it moves. Kinetic energy, that heat energy is converted into kinetic energy and the wheel moves because of that kinetic energy. So in that case, it also needs a sufficient amount of oxygen. So there are the air holes are present which provide them the amount of oxygen. So mostly due to use or maybe dust particles, those air holes get blocked. So the petrol or diesel burning will not get sufficient amount of oxygen. So therefore, if they won't get sufficient amount of oxygen, then they will start producing large amount of smoke. So the vehicle is giving out smoke. That is because of this case. Okay, so therefore that servicing of the vehicle has to be done time to time. So therefore those air holes has to be cleaned. Any obstruction is there for the movement of oxygen and air, that will be cleaned properly. Then only the complete combustion takes place. Otherwise that vehicle will start producing large amount of smoke. Yellow sooty flame is keep on forming. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the same thing happens in case of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons needs less amount of oxygen, so they generally burns with blue flame because complete combustion takes place. But unsaturated hydrocarbons needs more number of oxygen atoms. So therefore, they need a large amount of oxygen. So in same amount of oxygen, if you supply to saturated, and the same amount of oxygen, if you supply it to unsaturated hydrocarbons, the saturated hydrocarbons burns with blue flame, but the unsaturated hydrocarbons burns with yellow flame because they need more amount of oxygen. So saturated hydrocarbons generally burns with blue flame, and unsaturated generally burns with yellow flame. Are you able to understand this part? Are these points clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Complete combustion, when it is blue flame, when it is yellow flame.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then equation, if you see, we are all writing the complete combustion only. We are not supposed to write incomplete combustion. Methane combines with oxygen, produce CO2 plus H2O plus heat energy. Balancing, (2O2). Then ethane, C2H6 plus 7O2 gives 4CO2 plus 6H2O plus heat energy. Even ethanol, CH3 CH2 OH plus oxygen gives out CO2 plus H2O plus heat energy. Product formed is everywhere same. The difference is 2 carbon atoms. Hydrogen are 6. Oxygens are 5 plus 3, 7. 7. Out of that, 3 will be here. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. You have to copy down here.
I'm not even sure.
Ma'am, what is it given O2 next to O2, like below O2 excess?
Excess air.
Ma'am, can you even show the first one on top of oxidation?
Combustion.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a little?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a little?
Ma'am, I'm peaceful a bit. Ma'am, my internet went for like 1 or 2 minutes. Could you scroll up for just a second? I'll take a screenshot. Thank you, ma'am.
You will take screenshot and it will store in the phone memory only. Right?
No, ma'am, I can't log in through laptop right now because it's not connecting to the internet suddenly. So I'm on phone and then I copy it.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
No, I'll stop science, start maths now.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
does my batch have class tomorrow?
No, class is not there tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, did you give any homework for this for tomorrow, like for